Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a simple roux for your pasta dishes. This foundational technique is crucial for thickening sauces and adding a rich flavor. We'll start by gathering just two main ingredients: a fat, typically unsalted butter, and all-purpose flour. The key is to use equal amounts of each. For example, 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour, which is a great quantity for a small batch. First, grab a heavy-bottomed saucepan and place it over medium-low heat. Add your butter or other chosen fat to the pan. Allow the butter to melt completely and gently shimmer. It's important not to let it brown at this stage, as we want to control the color of our roux later on. This initial step sets the stage for a smooth and lump-free base for your delicious pasta sauce. Now, with your butter fully melted, it's time to add the flour. Sprinkle the flour directly into the melted butter while continuously whisking. Keep whisking for about 1 to 2 minutes over the same medium-low heat. You'll notice the mixture transforming into a thick, smooth paste. This stage is crucial for cooking out the raw flour taste, ensuring your roux contributes only deliciousness to your pasta sauce. Keep whisking your roux for an additional 1 to 3 minutes, depending on the desired color for your specific pasta sauce. For most creamy pasta dishes, a pale, golden blonde roux, often described as the color of peanut butter, is perfect. This light color ensures a delicate flavor that won't overpower your sauce. Once it reaches this stage, your roux is ready to be incorporated into your liquid, like milk or broth, to create a wonderfully thick and smooth sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.